Hello, class. It's Demetria Davis back again with another presentation, Unit 5, Part 2. My experience in AIU's master's program has been life-changing. When I first entered the program, I wasn't sure I was going to make it through. During the pandemic, with my children doing online schooling, I was working from home and just trying to do day-to-day tasks and including homework for classes. I wasn't sure that I was going to be able to fulfill all the tasks that was required. So the struggle for me became real. This program has taught me the meaning and value of education and my role of teaching. The impact of the program provides problem-solving techniques that I will use along the way. I have a better insight and understanding of my accomplishments once I complete school. My perspective in education helps me to appreciate and stand firm on my beliefs as a professional, as well as recognizing the areas that are needed for improvement. If I could speak to students entering the program, I would tell them that AIU has a fantastic master's program, but not only of that, I would also tell them that the master's program takes dedication, hard work, patience, and no procrastinating. The knowledge skills gained will have you looking at education in a different aspect that focuses on your goals and how you will align your degree outside of school. I have received support and thanks to the administrative office, student advisor, and the best instructor ever, Dr. Mendez, as well as my family, who has been very patient with me during this journey. The team of supporters has given me motivation to go above and beyond. Having self-observation, self-elevation, self-determination is the foundation I want to use to build in teaching. The ideas that I've shared with my peers via discussion board in opening up my own cosmetology school shows the growth within me. I've had the opportunity of being able to speak with other small business owners that have given me some good pointers and resources I can use to start. I'm excited about my future, and I believe this class will take education to a whole nother level. I am so proud of everyone. Good job. You guys will do amazing in the future, and I thank you guys.